Hello friends, welcome back again to our training video here on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this short video, I want to show you how to redeem your staked token on Bitget. If you know how to, stake coins on Bitget exchange, maybe you have staked your coins and you now want to withdraw them, you want to redeem them, you want to withdraw back either the entire thing or maybe part of it because of need. This is exactly how to go it. So this is already a Bitget interface. I'm going to go on the side of the asset page. Now, if you look at this, I'm going to click, if you check overview, this is overview of what I have now on my Bitget USDT, $6.8. Now, if you go to my spot, I only have 0.09. If you go to futures, I have 0. You go to OTC, I have 0.02. But if you go to Earn, the whole of the thing is there, 6.6. That's Earn means where I staked it. I'm earning daily interest. And that's one of the ways you can earn interest on your coin instead of leaving it that way. I taught this in one of my videos previous day. Now, because I'm on Earn now, so this is the coin I staked under flexible. So this is the coin, and that is the BNB. You can see it, 0.0104319 BNB, which worth 6.68 US dollars. So I'm going to click on it now. I click on this. So having clicked on it, it reminds me that this is under flexible. You can stake on different different areas or categories. So I only staked on flexible savings. So I'm going to click on that flexible savings until we open. Now look at my coin. It's under annual percentage yield of 1.21%. Yesterday, my interest was 0.000044 BNB, a kind of Satoshi of BNB. Today, PNL is already 235. So these things have been added. Now, I'm going to click on redeem because I want to redeem everything. I want to redeem it. So I click on redeem my BNB. Now, it says, note that partial redemption will affect your next payout. The redeemed amount will be credited to your spot account. So once you redeem it, it will be credited to your spot account. Remember, that's where it's going to be credited. And I love that. Now, minimum amount is this. Now, how many? You can decide to withdraw some, redeem some, and leave some so that you still be reading. But if you want to withdraw all of them, you click on maximum. Click on maximum. So everything is here now. I'm going to redeem this. Transaction amount is this. Redemption time, expected completion time. So I'm going to click on confirm. Redemption request submitted. It's going to, once it's done, you're going to see it. And it won't take long. I'm going to just show you now. So it's already put there. So I click on view. It's okay. Now under my end, it's not there. Let me check my spot. It has arrived. Can you see it? You know what was there before? So added to that 09 to 68, it's now 77. So 6.77 USDT. So it has just come, and that's what you just saw here now. Look at this under asset. It's showing you how the money arrived. So it's from N and all that. So I can go out together now, go to my spot to sell it. Remember, this is under BNB. If I want to sell it and convert to USDT, I'm going to do that. If you are thinking on how to do this, please wait for the next video because I'm going to show you exactly how to convert this stuff. Now sell it and convert to USDT. That is part of the trainings you have to know as long as everything about crypto is concerned. So I'm going to stop at this point. If this video makes sense to you, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video for those who need to get to know about it. If you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.